Good day, Maestra. This is Tudin Along from SBZ 2B, and today I'll be reciting the last three stanzas from the poem of Jose Rizal, which is The Last Farewell, or in Spanish, Mi Ultimo Adios. It doesn't matter that you should forget me. Your atmosphere, your skies, your veils, I'll sweep. Vibrant and clear, note to your ears, I shall be. Aroma, light, hues, murmur, song, moaning sleep, constantly repeating the essence of the faith I keep. My idolized country, for whom I most gravely pine, dear Philippines, to my last goodbye, oh, hearken, there I leave all, my parents, loves of mine, I'll go where there are no slaves, tyrants, or hangmen, where faith does not kill, and where God alone does reign. Farewell, parents, brothers, beloved by me, friends of my childhood, in the home distress. Give thanks that now I rest from the worrisome day. Farewell, sweet stranger, my friend, who brightened my way. Farewell, to all I love. To die is to rest.